How well does this electric scooter from Caroma perform? And can it really reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour? Let's find out. This is Caroma's P1 Electric Scooter. It features 14-inch pneumatic tires, front and rear suspension, and a large oversized cushion seat, making this a very comfortable scooter to ride. With safety in mind, your scooter will come with a bright front LED headlight, along with an active rear tail light, front and rear disc brakes, as well as a large 8x21 rubber-coated anti-slip platform. It features a bright LED battery indicator, along with a front and side reflectors so vehicles can easily see you at night. It includes a rear storage basket, which can hold up to 39.6 pounds. And the handlebars are collapsible, making it easier for transportation. The scooter measures 51 inches long by 35 inches tall and weighs in at just 66 pounds. Along with the folding handlebars, makes it easy for transportation. Now there's no need to worry about your scooter arriving safely, as it's packaged neatly in high density foam, keeping it safe during shipping. Now there is going to be some assembly required, but this process should take you no longer than 20 minutes. Equipped with a powerful 500-watt motor and a 48-volt 7.8 amp-hour battery, they state that this scooter can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 25 miles. But can the scooter really reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour? Let's go for a ride. Let's see what it'll do for a top speed here. Showing 10.5, 12, 15, 16, 19.4, 20.8, looks like we hit a max speed of 20.8, which verifies that it does have enough power to reach 20 miles per hour. We're gonna go up this incline here now, and we'll see how fast it can take us up this incline. Here we are going uphill. We're still picking up speed, 16 miles per hour, 17 miles per hour going up this steep incline, 18, oops, looks like we can do 18 miles per hour going up this steep incline hill. Now we're coming to the crest, we're picking up more speed. And we'll turn around and we'll go down this hill now and see how fast we can go down this hill. Picks up speed pretty quick. 20, can we hit 21? Looks like 20 is about max. These scooters are a lot of fun to ride. I can really feel the suspension working nicely on this rough road. The ride feels very smooth. The front and rear suspension is working well, along with the 14-inch pneumatic tires really help absorb all these bumps. This road is very rough. So we hit a max speed of 20.8 miles per hour. Now let's see what we can hit for acceleration speeds here. Just gonna get on the other side of this road here. We're gonna go from 0 to 20 and see how long it takes us. And here we go. Acceleration feels very strong. This is a little bit uphill as well, but we'll see. And right up to 19. We might not reach the max of 20 because we are going uphill here. Very quick acceleration. The disc brakes work nicely. I was just using the rear brake. Let's try low acceleration uphill here. Not too bad. Right up to 18 going uphill. It's not a very big incline, but it is an incline. Let's do one more test here. Let's just do a acceleration test going on this slight downhill decline here and see what we can get. Very nice. Picks up speed super quick. Right up to 20. And let's see how fast we can slow down with just one brake. Pretty quick. There's a little bit of lag in the GPS app that I'm using. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the acceleration, performance, and the power. There's plenty of power here to carry even larger adults. This is a great all-around scooter. Let's try a deceleration with both brakes here. Going wide open and stop. Oh wow, yeah. She stops pretty quick. Even the suspension in the front sunk down a little bit when I applied the brakes heavy. Handle's nice, tires feel comfortable and grippy. Scooter feels very stable. The seat is very comfortable. The shocks, you can get it bouncing a little bit. It feels pretty good. Overall, I think it's suited just right for my weight. I am 155 pounds. And the scooter seems to ride just right without any adjustments to it. The platform is large enough for both of my feet. No problems there, and the anti-slip traction down below is a nice little added feature too to keep your feet from slipping off. A little bit of off-road here. Let's take it through the grass here. See how she does. The lawn's a little rough and a little tall, but you can still see it does handle it pretty well. And gravel, it handles with ease with these larger tires. Thanks for joining me today. These electric scooters are such a blast to ride. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link in the description. Caroma offers a very wide range of sit-down and stand-up type scooters, sizes from adult to kids, and a variety of different colors and different size motors and battery packs. I'm sure they'll have a scooter to fit your needs. If you guys have any questions about this scooter, please feel free to leave those down in the comment section. If you guys have any experience riding these scooters and would like to share with us, please feel free to leave those in the comments as well. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.